Today, we're going to rebuild Just Too Surdy's Instagram right now live. Okay, first, all I see is hybrid athlete and the bio. There's no niche call out of a specific buyer that he serves. There's no authority line. Hybrid athlete, if I land on your page, it's more about you. This is the critical mistake that a lot of coaches and consultants make. You make your content about you. Congratulations, you're a hybrid athlete. Let's look at the other page that he tagged. Okay, so he has a best protein that actually tastes good. It looks like this is his sponsor. Fitness coaches, man, most of them, the only money they make, right? They try to make money from their programs, but it doesn't work, right? And they just end up promoting other people's stuff, even with 4,000 followers. 4,000 followers, man, you could be making 30, 40 grand a month. Easy. Set up fitness, sign up for fitness coaching. Let's look at what his funnel looks like. A type form. Woo. I mean, a Google Doc form. My goodness. Oh no. Ditch being skinny fat for good and reclaim your metabolism. Full name, gender. I mean, man, we gotta at least be able to have a website landing page, bro. You want people to pay you money. And look, what have I said before in the past about fitness coach? Look what he's selling. A low ticket ebook. 90-day ebook is $900. 90-day program is $900. I would say that's still low ticket. $1,600 full body transformation. A year, he's charging $2,600 in a year. Whew. Man, that is gonna be rough. You're gonna have to get another job. There's no way in the world you're gonna be surviving. With this funnel so far, without even looking at the content, I know this is not looking good. Promotion of Orion everywhere. Yeah, makes sense. Let's look at the content. Guys, I do this live every single Monday for coaches and consultants. If you're a coach and consultant and you want me to look at your content, break down why your funnel is not converting with organic, what content is going to make your ideal buyer actually resonate with you, and you walk away with a literal packet of things you need to implement in your content. Link in the description, pin comments. I'll see you at the next workshop this Monday. I don't know if this is his own protein business. I don't know if that's his actual protein brand or he's just like a big. Okay, we're literally just promoting the protein. I don't know if he's the founder of this people. If he's not the founder, man, God goodness, this is all a promotion for them, basically. Yeah, I don't know if maybe that's his business. Right, I don't know. Protein that actually tastes good. I don't know if that he's the founder of it. Maybe he's the founder. If he's the founder of it, then it looks like he's the founder. Okay, it looks like he's the founder. So there might be some good news. Right. So if his goal is just to promote his protein business, then okay. But working with you would get that even done faster. So I don't really like coaches like getting into physical products that quickly. If you look at somebody like C-Bum, Daniel Noel, all those people, they built a massive brand before they launched a product. A lot of coaches, a lot of people in general, what they want to do is they start passion projects before a business, or they want their passion project to be as successful as a business. I don't know how successful this is, but with this little following, I can guarantee if he built his brand first, became known, this protein company would be doing serious numbers, right? And they might already be doing serious numbers, and I just don't know about it. I'm going to be transparent about that. But it's usually always better to do brand then product, not product and then brand. So looks like he set up shop. I don't know how this program is working. I don't know how this supplement thing is going for him, but it looks like that's actually his offer. He wants people to try his protein. Well, if that's the case, the content shouldn't just be people reviewing it. You should have some UGC on here. You should treat this as e-com. You are making all types of different awareness of content, right? And using your protein brand as the solution. So you can still sell physical products, right? With organic. And it is being done at a very, very high level.